Did you know that while you were sleeping, Google might have quietly installed 2 hidden applications onto your phone? Yep. Even if you follow this channel and delete them before, a recent update to Google Play services forced them back onto your device. And the sneaky part? They moved them to an entirely new location so you wouldn't find them. One of these apps is scanning your personal photos, and the other is checking your private messages. Today, we are going to hunt them down, see exactly what they are doing, and decide which one needs to go. Let's start with the controversial one. This first app claims to be for your safety, but the way it works is a little unsettling. It's tied to the Google Messages app. Let me show you what it does before we delete it. Open your Messages app. Tap your profile photo. Go to Messages Settings. Scroll down to Protection and Safety. Tap on Manage Sensitive Content Warnings. Here is the deal. This feature scans your photos and videos to detect nudity and blurs it out. That sounds fine for a child's phone, right? But here is the odd thing. To find the sensitive photos, the system has to scan your gallery actively. Google claims this all happens on device and nothing is sent to the cloud. But if you are an adult and you value your privacy, you probably don't want a background process analyzing your personal photos. The fix: uninstalling app number 1. So, let's get rid of the software running this scan. They hid it deep in the system settings this time. Go to your phone's main settings. Tap on Google. Scroll down to the Privacy and Security section. Look for System Services and open it. There it is. You are looking for Android System SafetyCore. If you see it in the up-to-date list, it is currently active on your phone. Tap on it, hit Uninstall, and confirm. Boom! Now it's moved to the Not Installed list, and it stops scanning your gallery. The twist: app number 2, the Good Spy. Now, I mentioned there were 2 secret apps. The second one is called Android System Key Verifier. You might be tempted to delete this one too, but hold on. This one is actually the good guy. This app verifies the encryption keys for your messages. Basically, it ensures that when you text your friend, the message actually reaches them and isn't intercepted by a hacker or a scammer in the middle. This is called a man-in-the-middle attack protection. Since this app only checks public security keys and doesn't actually read your messages or scan your files, it's a huge win for your security. Delete the SafetyCore if you want privacy, but keep the key verifier to stop hackers. It's better to be safe than sorry. So there you have it, 1 app to delete and 1 to keep. Now, I'm curious, did you already know about these apps, or is this the first time you're hearing about them? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to stay ahead of these silent updates that Google pushes to your phone, make sure you're subscribed with the bell on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.